This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover your passion for languages with our innovative ebook, audiobook, and video system. Maximize retention using spaced repetition. Start your journey today.
Overcoming language and learning challenges in special education, tips for adult learners. Explore common language learning challenges in special education and effective science-based strategies to support adult language learners. Language learning, challenges in special education. Learning a new language is an exciting journey, but it can come with unique challenges, especially in special education settings. For adult language learners or those supporting special education students, understanding these challenges is essential to creating effective strategies that promote success. Special education covers a wide spectrum of learners with diverse needs, from cognitive and developmental disabilities to speech and language impairments. Each condition can impact how a student acquires and processes language, making the science of language learning even more crucial to apply. Common language learning. Challenges in special education. Processing difficulties. Some learners struggle with auditory processing, making it hard to distinguish sounds or understand spoken language, which is foundational for language acquisition. Working memory limitations, retaining new vocabulary or grammar rules can be challenging if a learner's working memory is compromised. Speech and articulation issues. Pronunciation problems may impact confidence and reduce practice and slowing overall language learning. Lack of generalization. Many learners in special education can grasp a concept in a controlled setting, but struggle to apply it in everyday conversations. Motivation and anxiety. Repeated struggles or past failures might cause some learners to feel discouraged or anxious about continuing language studies. Applying the science of language learning. The science behind language learning sheds light on how to overcome these barriers through structured, repetitive, and supportive practices. For example, spaced repetition and reviewing information at increasing intervals has been shown to improve retention, especially for those with memory limitations. This is why methods supported by science can be more effective than generic approaches. In special education, adapting language learning to fit individual needs is vital. Visual aids, multisensory inputs, and breaking down concepts into manageable chunks all align with what research tells us about effective teaching. For adult language learning especially, patience and realistic goal setting are key. Practical tips for supporting language learning in special education. Use multisensory techniques. Combine sounds, visuals, and hands-on activities to engage with different learning pathways. Incorporate technology. Apps and programs designed with the science of language learning can gamify practice and allow for personalized pacing. Discover how community-led book marketing events empower authors to authentically connect with readers and effectively increase book sales. Be patient and positive. Celebrate progress no matter how small to maintain motivation and reduce anxiety. Customize learning materials. Use content that matches interest and relevance to keep learners engaged. Resources that can help. For adult learners or educators working with special education students aiming to learn a new language, using a science-backed system can make a world of difference. Check out ScienceBasedLearning.com, which offers a simple ebook, audiobook, and video language learning system combined with an online practice app that uses the science behind spaced repetition to maximize your learning and retention. This kind of resource is designed to make language acquisition more accessible by applying proven techniques that adapt well for different learning needs and paces. Final thoughts. Language learning in special education requires compassion, understanding, and methods grounded in science. By recognizing the unique challenges these learners face and utilizing evidence-based strategies, it becomes possible to foster meaningful progress. Whether you're an adult looking to learn a language yourself or supporting someone with special needs, knowing how to learn a language effectively paves the way to success. Remember, progress in language learning isn't always linear, but can be optimized through the right tools and approaches tailored to each individual.